How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I hope everybody's having a happy new year. It's a good start to it. And today's video is going to be, I got a couple of updates. It's going to be on the Grumpy's toy Vega and his hauler, and then a little update on this one right here. The next build is the Johan, and I'll show y'all here in just a second what I've gotten done on that. And well, before we start the video, I always like to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't even have a channel. And for y'all listening to me ramble all the time, I'm like Gavin Booth. I get on a ramble and I just keep going. I'm sorry I don't make short videos, Jeff. It's just hard for me to do. I talk too much. But with that being said, even though half the time I don't even know what I'm talking about, like I said, I'm thanking all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, like I said, I would not have a channel. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free. Don't cost nothing. Okay, with that being said, let's see what I've gotten done so far. I'll just show you on the F85, the Johan, because this is not the main build right now. It's just I had a nice day and I figured I'd get some paint done on it outside. So this is the one I'm building next. This is not what the video is actually much about, but this is the one I'm building next. And like I told y'all, I was just trying to decide on the color. On the box, I think it's, to me, it looks like a real light gold metallic. Some people say it's ivory, some people say it's white. So there's kind of a little controversy there. Some people say it's tan, who knows? Really don't know. You know, these box arts, it's kind of faint, hard to tell, but I know I've seen these wagons in this color before, and it's kind of like a champagne gold. So that's what I'm going with it, with the champagne gold. And then I've got the interior painted red, which it's not done. I'll flock it and I'll chrome and do some detailing on the dash and steering wheel and all that. But I'm going with that color combination right there, red and champagne gold. I think it was Tom Rambler 69 told me champagne gold, and that's what color we've gone with it, champagne gold. I don't know if y'all can see that very good or not. Champagne gold. So that's that one. And then, like I said, I've got the Vega totally done. I'll give y'all kind of a sneak peek of this one, but it's really I didn't want to reveal it until the whole set was done, but I could show y'all real quick. I'm not gonna go into detail on it, but that, and then of course, you know, that right there is what I'm using for the race hauler. And we know it's not really correct, but you know, I don't care. I don't care if it is or not, guys. It's not what I'm about. Like I said, I'm not a rivet counter. I don't care about every nut and bolt and everything being perfect. So that is what it is. I'll turn this one around and I'll show you what I've gotten done. Alright guys, here's the Vega. Like I said, I'm not going to go in just great detail on the Vega until the end of the video when the whole race team's complete, but I will show you some of it right now if it'll focus. That grill, I don't know if that's going to focus or not with my hands in the way. Yeah, there she is. I'm going to move that out of the way. Like I said, I didn't want to focus on that until the whole thing's done. Here's the cab of the truck. This is what I've gotten done so far. I've got the chrome foil and the black done and the black wash. Got the chrome foil and, like I said, done. I've gotten in here painted. I still got to do the battery, you know, do some detailing on it. As y'all remember, I'm putting the 69 grill. You can see that. Will it focus? The 69 grill is what I'm going to put in it. The interior tub, I've gotten the rubber mat and the seats. They're different shades. It's hard to tell, but that is different shades. It's a semi-gloss, and that was more of a flat, but it's kind of got a little bit of a semi-gloss sheen. I don't know how that turned out because it was supposed to be flat paint. Set that over to the side. Put that back over here, guys. And then I got the decals on this, the ramp. I still got to do some black wash in here. Maybe go over it with a dry brush, a little metal color or something over that where it looks like, you know, the paint's rubbed off of it a little bit. Like I said, and then I still got to do the chrome foil on this up here and do the marker lights for that. And of course, you know, I still got the doors and, you know, the little chrome latches and stuff. There's the doors right there. I got them painted up. I've started on the dash. I got to do the chrome and all the stuff, our aluminum on the dash. And as far as the chassis goes, I got the top side of the engine almost done. I mean, I got to do some detailing on it. Of course, this is what it looks like right now. Got it wired up. The pipe still ain't painted. None of this is the underneath here. I'm gonna do the exhaust, you know, just kind of might even weather it up. I really don't know. I haven't made my mind. There's the wheels, tires. Let's kind of throw this on it and let y'all kind of get an idea of what she's going to look like. Let's put the bed on it real quick and give you an idea, maybe. It's all stuck together here, but let's see. Let you kind of have an idea. Alright, let's get it up here. There's kind of your idea of what she's going to look like right there. And it's going to have that on it. So, you're getting the idea. So that's it for this video, guys. I really don't know what else to say on it until it's finished. So, there you go. I hope you enjoy. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And there's kind of a look at it right there. Let's set this on it just to give you an idea. There you go. Look at that. Not complete yet, guys, but it's almost there. Peace.